Hey everyone, it's Professor Clark, and we are about to start the last lecture of the entire textbook. It's hard to believe, isn't it? But here we are. You have made it through the entire textbook and the entire semester. So, first of all, give yourself a huge pat on the back in congratulations. And then, second of all, focus for one final tiny piece of grammar. The one tiny piece of grammar that we're going to learn in this lecture is how to say that you have been doing something in Russian. And this is very simple because all you do is use the present tense. So, for example, Сколько времени ты живешь в Москве? How long have you been living in Moscow? Я живу в Москве 6 месяцев. I've been living in Moscow for 6 months. Or Сколько времени ты читаешь «Войну и мир»? How long have you been reading War and Peace for? Я читаю «Войну и мир» уже целый месяц. I've been reading War and Peace for a whole month already. And I assume most of you know that War and Peace is one of the great works of 19th century Russian literature. That's also one of the longest novels ever written in any language, which is not to say you shouldn't read it. You should totally go and read it, but it is a bit of a time commitment. So that is it. If you want to say that you have been doing something for a certain amount of time in Russian, you just use the present tense. It's super easy and straightforward. And that seems like a great way to finish off this chapter and the entire textbook, because I'm sure you're feeling very overwhelmed by the amount of information that has been stuffed into your head over this semester. But the good news is that from here on out, it's all kind of just going to be review. You've got some new stuff to learn. Well, you've got lots of new stuff to learn, but you've learned pretty much all of the endings. You've learned pretty much all of the basics. So you can take what you've learned and go forward and learn Russian and use Russian and keep refining your Russian, but you have the backbone of what you need to learn to speak Russian really well. So it's been a wonderful semester. I hope you have really enjoyed it too, and you feel like you've made tremendous progress and learned a lot. And hopefully we will see each other again soon for book 2.